In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your existing information can live comfortably inside your ClickUp workspace. First, make sure you're in ClickUp and looking at any list view. This can be any list in any space or folder. The important thing is that you're inside your workspace and can see your tasks. Starting from a list view just makes it easy to follow along and ensures you're in the right place in the interface. Next, move your attention to the top corner of the screen where your profile avatar is located. Go ahead and click on your profile. This is where ClickUp keeps all your personal and workspace related options. Anytime you need to adjust your account or workspace settings, this is usually where you'll start. After opening your profile menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you into the main settings area where you can manage things like notifications, integrations, and in this case, your imports and exports. It may take a moment to load, especially if you're on a slower connection, so just give it a second if the screen doesn't change immediately. Once you're inside settings, find and select the section called Imports or Exports. This is the dedicated place in ClickUp for bringing data in from other tools or files, and for sending data out if you ever need to. Clicking this will open up a screen showing the different import options that ClickUp supports. Here, you'll see choices to import from a spreadsheet, a document, or from other apps, depending on your goal. Choose the option that best matches the format your data is currently in. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on importing from a document, so go ahead and click on the document option. The overall process is similar if you choose spreadsheets or supported apps. On the document import screen, you'll see a button that says Browse. Click on Browse to open a file picker from your device. This is where you locate the file you want to bring into ClickUp. Navigate through your folders, select the file you want, and confirm your choice. Once you've selected the file, ClickUp will begin uploading it. This usually only takes a few seconds, depending on your internet speed and the size of the document. Just wait until the upload indicator finishes. When the upload is done, you'll see an option to proceed. Click on Import to start the actual import process. ClickUp will then process your file and bring that data into your workspace. After a short moment, your imported content will be available, ready for you to organize, update, and integrate into your existing tasks.